Hi everyone and welcome to this your channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Lynette, the person behind this wonderful project that I call GretaWings. And today I want to teach you how to make Riley from the movie Inside Out 2. Riley from Inside Out 2 is now a teenager. This is the design we create with a lot of love for you. He is about 28 centimeters tall, which is the same as 11 inches. But everything depends on the yarn that you use. If you use another yarn, finer thread, for example, maybe the size will be different, and also you need to select the correct hook. You can articulate all these amigurumi, the head, legs, and also the arms. Let's see if this amigurumi can stand on her own. Yes, it's possible. But it will depend on her balance and the movement you give to her body. But it's possible, and that's that is the most important thing. Also, you can put her hand on the cloth. I really love this. Also, you can leave one finger out. I really love that. I want to show her to you up close with more details. Everything is one single piece. We will only show some details, but also you can use glue if you prefer that. Something very important. We already have PDF on our website GretaWings.com. You can buy the PDF, the right pattern, or you can follow our videos. We will have 4 videos to make all these amigurumi. I hope you like it and you want to do it, and if it's like that, let's see the materials that we will need. Remember, I will use Symphonia brand yarn, and we will start using white colored yarn. For each color of yarn, we will not need more than 50 grams. With just 50 grams for each color will be enough. Then we will need black. This one is turquoise, it's a beautiful blue. Crystal green for some details. Very important color is the skin color that you prefer. I have this skin color on this brand yarn and I really love it, but you can use whatever skin color that you prefer for this amigurumi. Then this one is gold color yarn for the hair, another yellow color yarn. This one is baby yellow and pink, orchid, and the same crystal green. Just some thread, it's just for some details. Then another color yarn that you will need, maybe just if you like that, is some color like tobacco, like cinnamon, to make a moth if you like it. In the final part, in the last part, the part number 4 on this tutorial, at the end, I will show you how to make the mold, but I really like this amigurumi without mold. Then, however you prefer will be okay. I will show you how to make that detail. If you want to articulate this amigurumi, you need wire. Also, I'm use 10 millimeter safety eyes. You can use another size. Also, you can embroider the eyes however you like. Okay, this is the wire that I'm used. See in the description below, and you can find a lot of materials that I'm used on this project. I'm use another wire, the green wire, but you can use whatever wire that you prefer for amigurumi. Okay, In my case, I need made the union. I will show you that later. But if you have another wire, will be better. Okay, like the wire that like the second wire that I'm showing you. Of course, we need scissors, pins, stuffing, some brush for hair cheeks, just if you like it. And for the yarn that I'm showing you in the beginning, I'm used 2.5 millimeters hook, and I made a single crochet in a form of X. If you made a single crochet in a form of V with the same yarn, I recommend 2.0 millimeters hook. If you want to know more about the single crochet in a form of V or X, in the description below you can find some video. This is all the materials that you need to make this amigurumi. Then if you are ready, let's start. We will make two equal arms, and for each one we will start using the skin color yarn that you select, and on round 1 a magic ring with 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and you can close the magic ring and put some mark just if you think that is necessary. From round 2 to 4 we will make 8 single crochet in each round. 1 single crochet, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and exactly the same until round 4. And of course you need to accommodate the piece on the beginning. When you finish the round 4, in the last single crochet you need change to turquoise color yarn or the color that you select for the cloth. And on round 5 we will make 8 slip stitch, taking the back loops only. 1 slip stitch, 2, and continue doing slip stitch until finish this round. On round 6 we will make 8 single crochet, taking the back loops only, and I prefer take the turquoise and the skin color yarn both at the same time, but if you want to take just the turquoise color yarn loop will be okay. Then 1 single crochet, I'm sorry. This is the second one, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 7, 8 single crochet more. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round. On round 8, working on front loops only, we will start with 1 single crochet, and in the next loop 1 increase, and we will continue repeating exactly the same, 1 single crochet and 1 increase, taking the front loops only until finish this round with 12 stitches. From round 9 to 22 we will make 12 single crochet in each round. 1, 2, and continue doing single crochet until finish this round, and exactly the same until round 22. When you finish the round 22, you can make 1 chain just for secure. Cut the yarn. You don't need leave a long yarn. We don't need the mark now. And now I will teach you how to make the fingers. We already have another tutorial on this channel making a similar hand with this finger on this channel. Then I will share with you that video in the description below. Then starting between round 2 and 3, in one side, in whatever side that you prefer, insert the hook taking 1 point. And for the first finger, this one, we will start making 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. And starting in the second chain, taking the back loop, this loop on the back, we will make 2 slip stitch. 1 and 2. Now skip 1 round, the second round, skip that one, and insert the hook making 1 slip stitch. This is the first finger. The rest 4 fingers will be exactly the same pattern. You will repeat exactly the same 4 times. For each one, you need start with 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Starting in the second chain, taking the back loops, 3 slip stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Skip 1 point and taking all the first round on this hand, in the front and on the back, all the first round, 1 slip stitch. And you will repeat exactly the same 3 times more. 4 chains. In the second chain, starting making 3 slip stitch. Later, skip 1 point and taking all the first round on this hand, 1 slip stitch more. And then repeat exactly the same 3 times more, and you will finish the fingers. You need to accommodate the fingers, secure the threads, and hide it. I will put a wire to articulate this amigurumi. You can use whatever wire that you prefer. Remember that. Just make this and insert on the arm. On the hand, I will only put the wire, but on the rest of the arms, I will put stuffing. Then put stuffing and this arm will be ready. Remember, we need two equal arms with exactly the same pattern. And because it's exactly the same pattern, you need to accommodate the fingers before make the union with the body. Of course, we will make the body later. But accommodate the finger in the correct direction. And that's it. Will be beautiful. I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to leave me your like and your comment. Also, if you have any questions, ask me on the comment and I will answer you as soon as possible. In the next tutorial, we will make all the legs with the body. Then, if you haven't subscribed yet on this channel, what are you waiting for? I invite you to do it and activate the bell, and you will receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this one to the end. I really appreciate that, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.